Hope hindi tumasama yung loob na kakin. Phoebe, ano? It is my moment, Phoebe, ha?
Sure, kaya nga kailangan si Treasure.
Lang to, bukas hindi na, di ba? So yun, I hope, especially the boys, madalas banggitin, di ba? Easy, ano? Grabe, di ba?
Kami ni Shermaine.
Yes!
Rock!
Hindi yung pangalan niyo kung masyado kayo manadalgal. Galit ako sa inyo, tandaan niyo yan. Siguro naman alam niyo, di ba, ganito yung tinuturing ko kayong mga anak. Kahit, parang sobrang bata, parang anak ko kayo. But definitely, sana nararamdaman niyo naman. Turing ko sa inyo mga anak. So, thank you so much. Grabe, hindi ko talaga yun eh.
Sure, talagang naka-violet pa siya ngayon, Sure, buksan niyo na kasi. Sure, open niyo na.
Open and read! Open and read it!
Sure, yun o. Sure, na open. Sure, read out loud Go.
For everything that you've done for us, we want you to be a better person and for every single thing that you've done. So let us thank you through a home that was like this. My teacher is someone who wise, who cares about his students, and what on earth from this guide. The one that is honest and open and shared from the heart, not just lessons from books, but hindi ko nalalabas. A teacher takes time to choose or help you with English or math. Okay. But this guy will always find them to help you with that. He never gives less than the very best. Miss Girls, it's not we are perfect students or people, but you're a perfect teacher for us. We love you very much. The same thing, I may not be the perfect teacher, di ba? But I'm hoping to be the best, di ba? I hope...
Ka-teacher ka kala to.
I'm hoping, feel free to approach me. Kasi ang hirap, di ba? There might be other people to approach me. Pero napakadalang yung advisory class ko yung lalapit to seek for a help, di ba? So we as advisors, we as advisors, di ba? Gusto naman namin na most of the time, kung meron man kayo gustong lapitan, gusto naman namin, di ba, kami yun. Di ba, kibita ka na. So, thank you for this, and go for the effort. You spent your money for this. Thank you talaga. So, ano no? Oh, no, kasi there are only few, di ba? Ganun yun eh. I understand that's always the case, di ba? But still, I know this is the effort of the section. Great, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. You're able to make your 30th birthday memorable to us. Also, that's been the last birthday ko na.
Sure, Pearl. Pearl ba? Nga pala.
Okay na. So, maraming salamat. Wala ka na si Glenn at si Mia. Si Sarah si Kuya may sakit. So yun, pero still, maraming salamat. So, hindi pa rin tayo sweldo, we have a lesson. So, pasensya tayo kasi that's always a part of